Today we're going to talk about how to create and edit overlays using FreeShow. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go to our overlays tab down here below. So if I click that there, it pulls up all my overlays. Now just to get an understanding of this particular part of the program, you can look to the left and you can see an option that says all. So it'll give you all your overlays. You can see your unlabeled overlays. You can see I made a category called events. There's one that's default called notices. There's another one called offers. I made one called timers, and then they've got another one called visuals. All right. And what you'll find in your visuals that there's some default ones like a lower thirds text box or a name box, a vignette, a recording screen, and things like that. And to describe briefly what overlays are, these are essentially features that you will put over the top of whatever it is that you're showing on your presentation. So let's say you're in the middle of worship service and you've got lyrics up on the screen. You can put an overlay up that might show the church logo, for example. Or maybe while the pastor is teaching, you can put an overlay up that may show the church website name or something along those lines. And so overlays are important and they're valuable for anybody that's doing a presentation. And this is one of those features that makes FreeShow unique from like a PowerPoint or something like that. Even from what you could find like in the OpenLP or other competing software that may be able to be used for presentation software, FreeShow is very unique in the ability to do this at a very high level. So let's look at how to create an overlay. And the very first thing is you want to go down to the bottom that says new overlay. And then you can name it. And I'm going to call this KTCI, which is a ministry that I'm a part of. And then you've got your overlay. You can hit play. There's nothing there. Okay. And so you're going to right click on it and you're going to click edit. Once you click edit, now you're brought to the editing page of any slideshow. Just like anything else, you have your items on the far right. And once you pick an item, you'll have an option to edit that one item, and or if it's a text box, the text box associated with that item. So we're in our items. I'm going to add media because we're going to add like a logo. All right. And so we've got the box here, and then I'm going to say choose media on the right side because I'm in the item, and we go there, and now I'm going to go to where my logo is, and it's here, Kingdom ETC, and I've got my logo. Now this logo as it is entirely too big because this is exactly how it's going to show up. So if I'm showing scriptures and I want to show that particular overlay, it literally goes over the top of the scripture. So we don't want that. So I'm going to click it and make it go off. Right click it one more time and we're going to go to edit. And now I'm going to adjust this to put it in the upper right hand corner and simply drag in the box, kind of like what you would do like in a Photoshop, or not Photoshop, but a PowerPoint or something like that. And I'm just making it being a small item on the upper right hand corner. All right. And I don't want it to be touching the edge, but right in the edge there. And I've got it set fit to contain. And that's why I can drag it. It'll always fit inside of there. If you change that to cover or fill, it'll function a little bit differently. And then we can flip it horizontally and vertically. And then you've also got filters if you wanted to. And then we can go to the item option and you can adjust the height, the width, and all those kind of things there, along with transforming it by cropping it if you need to. You can also adjust the style. You can add borders, all those kinds of things in this particular function of any other item like you would do for a slide. And this is an overlay though, okay? This is not a typical slide. This can literally go over any slide. And so I want it to be as discreet and small in the corner as possible so it doesn't interfere with any of the content that I'm going to have in the middle, whether it's a title up here, a scripture, or lyrics, or whatever it may be. So I want it in the corner just like that. Now I go back to my show, go down to my overlays, and I've got KTCI. And when I click it, it shows up there in the upper right corner. It's not interfering with any of the scripture. That's perfect. That's exactly how I want it. Now let's say you wanted to put this in the bottom. So you would go back, you can right click on it, and you can edit it. And we just simply drag this. This is an overlay, kind of like a template, I guess, that you've made. It's your overlay. So I can drag it down to the bottom right, and I can go back to my show, and I can turn it off and then turn it back on, and there it is at the bottom. But it's interfering with this other overlay that I've got. That's actually a clock in the lower right. So all your overlays can be going on at the same time. So I can put this overlay on at the same time. You can do multiple at the same time. So you can put this up at the same time as this is up, as that is up, and this is up. So overlays can literally be stacked on top of each other, and they literally go on in the order that you click them. And so whichever overlay you put on first, that's the one that's there. And then the next one you put on, it goes on top of that, and so forth and so on. So they stack up every time you click them, all right? And so if they were interfering with each other or overlapping with each other, the one that you click last is going to be at the top, okay? And so that is how you create and how you can edit and manipulate your overlays. Some ideas of overlays. I've got one here. This is a little clock or a timer in the lower right hand. Here it's not a timer, it's actually a clock. So it says 3:40 p.m. because that's what time it is, and it just runs. Now, how did I make that? So if I go down here and I go right click and I hit edit, it's called clock. So in the items, there's an option where you can just include a clock. You can also include a camera in your overlay if you wanted to. The events deal is a little unique. You can add events into FreeShow, but that's a whole nother discussion. You can include an icon if you wanted to, or a timer. I've done the timers as overlays. So if you go down to your overlay section, you'll see I made one called timer. So I made a timer like this one here, and I put the words on top of it that says starting in. So if I click that, it literally shows up, and I've kind of made it opaque so you can see through it a little bit for the clock itself, but the starting in is completely bold and solid. And then I've also made a 1-minute timer that goes up in the upper right corner up on my screen there that you can see as well, all right? And so all these options are available. It's pretty limitless what you can do with timers. So I'm curious, what are some ways that you plan to or are already using your overlays? And I said timers. So what are you doing to actually use overlays, or what do you hope to do to use overlays? Put a comment in the comment section below, and even ask any questions that you may have about a way to do an overlay that you're having a question about. All right. I look forward to catching up with you next time. I'm Gary B. Jr., and I'll see you on the next video.